Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by linking Zik Analytics to your eBay UK seller account. This lets Zik pull live listings and sales. Once connected, make sure the marketplace is set to eBay UK, currency to pounds, and time zone correct. Next, choose the product categories you plan to research and pick a 30 to 90-day date range to capture meaningful trends. These first actions ensure data accuracy and let you move straight into competitor and demand analysis without wasted setup time. Once your scope is defined, run product research for price distribution, sell-through rate, and margin estimates so you understand real market performance. Then use competitor analysis to inspect top sellers, copy successful titles, note shipping options, and identify listing gaps. Make sure to apply filters, condition, keywords, item specifics, and price bands to isolate profitable niches. As you refine filters, watch for seasonal spikes and top keywords. These insights drive listing editing. You now update listings using the data. Craft titles with top keywords, optimize descriptions and photos, set competitive pricing and shipping to improve click-through and sell-through. Once done, monitor impressions, watchers, and sold rate daily, and adjust prices or run promotions weekly to stay competitive. If metrics look wrong or recent listings are missing, resync the API connection, verify marketplace/currency settings, and clear active filters in Zik Analytics. That single troubleshooting step resolves most data discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.